Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to continue in our HTML course and we're going to start with lists. Okay, so let me jump over to my screen here. All right, so I've got our project that we've been working on open here. I'm going to go ahead and go to the About Me. Just go to there in our browser. And in the About Me, what I think we'll do, and this would be hard for me to think of on the fly, but what we'll do here is, let me close my Explorer to give me a little more room. And we're going to talk about lists. Okay, there's two types of lists. There's an ordered list and an unordered list. So let's go ahead and let's do an H3 here. And I'm going to put my favorite foods. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with our top and move down. So an ordered list has a tag of OL. So if I type in OL, we'll close that tag. Now this is a little bit different of an HTML tag than we've seen before. I'm a little under the weather, so you have to excuse my voice. It's a little scratchy. But we won't just type something in here like this with the ordered list. Okay, some tags have nested tags. So what I'll do here is go ahead and go down. I'm gonna hit enter to give myself a space, and then it automatically indents me over, which is what I want, so that we can easily see what's nested inside of other tags. So the tags for each item in my list here, what I want to do is use an LI tag, which is short for list item. Okay, so list item, let's see, first food, let's do pineapple. Okay, and then we'll do another one here, and we'll say bread. And let's try another one. Let's see, I like pasta. So pineapple bread, pasta, and I'll just do one more, pretty much any junk food. I shouldn't like it, but I do. All right, so now if I refresh the page, you can see that we have our H3 right here, and then we have an ordered list. And the ordered list gives us bullet points, and it automatically numbered the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice we didn't do that over here in our code. We didn't put a 1, 2, 3, or 4 here. The ordered list tag automatically does that for us, okay? We can actually even nest things in here. So if I wanted, I could have said, in this one, I could have said fruits, something like that. And then what we could have done, let me just break this down to a new line. And I'll give myself another new line. And actually, I could put another ordered list inside of this list item. And then we can go deeper nesting. And now I can say fruits. I could say pineapple. I could say orange. I don't know, apple. And we could do grapes. Let me save that and refresh the page. And now you can see that my favorite foods are fruits. And then I can have other lists inside of there that are nested. So underneath fruits, I have pineapple, orange, apple, grapes. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that, though. I just wanted to show you that you can do that. Let me fix my code here. All right, I'm just going to put pineapple back here. All right, so that is an ordered list. You can kind of see that it's an OL for ordered list, and then inside of that we nest list items, and it will automatically number them. Now the other type of list that we can do is, you could probably guess by that one being called ordered list, so we can actually do an unordered list. So if I just want bullet points basically, we could use an unordered list, so that's a UL. And we still use the same LI list item elements inside of there. So let's go ahead and give ourselves another head. So let's do an H3. And I'm going to put some of my favorite bands. Okay. And I don't know, I couldn't order these top down like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll just put some bands in here that are really good, in my opinion. Let's do for today. Let's do the devil wears Prada. And let's do maybe one more. Let's do between the buried and me. All right, so if I go down and refresh, and there are many other bands that I love, but I don't want to put too many here, but I could go on all day and put bands here that I love. So these are some of my favorite bands, so I can just list those. This could be anything, obviously. For an example, I put food and bands, but you can imagine like taking notes back in school or anything like that, or inside of a research paper, you would have bullet points. You know, and honestly, you could do, like I said, you could nest more unordered and ordered lists inside of here. So you can mix these. You can have an ordered list and then nest a unordered list inside of there if you want. But I think this will give you enough to get started here on lists. So we're going to wrap it up for the video. You guys practice, create some lists, and kind of see how these nested HTML elements work. So go ahead on your About Me page and maybe put some of your favorite colors or favorite foods, and then put some of your favorite music or something that you enjoy. It doesn't matter what it is. Just make an excuse to put something on the screen and then refresh and make sure it looks like this. All right, so what we're going to do in the next video is we're going to talk about tables. All right, I will see you there.